Hindi ko alam kung bakit biglang nag-iba yung nararamdaman ko. Wala namang third party, walang cheating, walang malaking away. We're fine. And maybe that's the problem. We're just fine. Nakakapagod na parang lagi na lang predictable ang buhay ko. Parang walang excitement, walang surprises. Yung routine namin, pare-pareho na lang. Magde-date kami, kakain, uuwi, manonood ng Netflix, then sleep. Paulit-ulit lang. Siguro masyado kaming naging komportable sa isa't isa. Sa tagal naming magkasama, parang nawala na yung spark. And it's not just about the relationship. It feels like there's more to life than this, than settling down, than starting a family. Pero paano ko ipapaliwanagin sa kanya? Minsan kapag magkasama kami, tahimik lang ako. He'd ask me if something was wrong. And I'd just shake my head. Okay lang ako. I'd say with a smile na hindi ko na alam kung sincere pa ba. Lately, I feel like you're not all in. Sabi niya one time. Hindi siya galit. He was calm. Pero halata sa mata niya na he's hurt. There are nights when I'd lie awake, staring at the ceiling, wondering if I'm just being selfish. Ang daming tao na naghahangad ng love story na katulad ng sa amin. Why am I questioning something so good? Bakit parang ako pa ang mali? Alam kong mahal niya ako. At mahal ko rin naman siya. Pero, sapat pa ba yun?